My brothers and sisters, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name na Anthony, your regular presenter for this First State Immigrant Solution. In case if una never touch the subscribe button, una no forget, una still use una hand still take touch am and na free, so that more una still dey support this channel as we still dey drop any video. Una be the first person wey go first still get alert for anything wey una take dey watch us. So wetin make me come out say make I still drop the story wey I dey cook ever since na yesterday come done. For those people wey know say e wan like to travel go bongo wey dem dey call Nigeria. So if you know say you wan travel go Nigeria, so you know say since wey this lockdown take start, international flight na backyard na dem dey pass enter house. So if you wan dey pass front enter Nigeria, na the Minister of Aviation, and so the man come talk wey dem dey call Hadi Sirika, wey talk yesterday for a tweet wey he come talk say na on the 29th of August na he go open international flight. So the international flight resumption to Nigeria wey dem come dey frequent all those commercial flights, they say they go resume on the 29th of August. So na make me come out, may I still shook my mouth. So may I still tell my people how the thing want to play. So how the thing want to play, now go come explain. So international flight resumption to Nigeria, the talk say it go commence on the 29th of August. So now so the Minister of Aviation talk when he come drop the tweet for Lagos yesterday. Come talk say if the international flight to Nigeria e go start, but they'll first start with two states, which is Lagos and Abuja. So Lagos International Airport and Abuja International Airport now be the two wey they'll first start, as the first city do am for that of local flight where they travel within Nigeria and Africa. So e come to say for this international also, they need to do a standard and they need to maintain the European and the world standard, so that make this coronavirus no physically spread if they open this international flight on the 29th of this August. So now I say make I come tell us how the thing go play after the guy come announce. So how the thing go be, how the thing go take flow. Now I say make I see tell us. So like since this coronavirus they start, if you look say my face not really clear again because I dey miss a lot of African food. For those one where they pass through backyard, they come ever since whether they spawn go pass other countries to this place. It not be like the one where you buy yesterday, this morning you already share. So now I say make I come still tell our people where they do business back home, or our people will go still like to do all this passport and all these things. They say booklet finish. So if international flight don't open now, a lot of things will come to get them fresh and will come to get them abundant, like those booklet where not agree come. So now I say make I still use my mouth to tell us, for those people we know say they do business go bongo or will be frequent flyer, how the thing will take play. You say how the thing go be. Now I want to tell us, so if you know say you be frequent flyer, make sure say you reach airport 3 hours before that time. 3 hours. If Nigeria thought say 3 hours, you know say you dey there at least 5 hours before that time. You know say you still add our Nigeria time now, no Africa time now. So but according to wetin they thought, they say 3 hours, but I go advise our frequent flyer make they dey there 5 hours before time. And all passenger wey you want know say e go board for when the airport don open, una make sure say una wear face mask, una wash una hand well, because all this one na general advice wey dem dey give since wey this corona take start. So they come say una still maintain distance from each traveler. So anyone wey you know say wan check in, the traveler wey dey your front, make sure say you maintain distance from that person wey dey in front of you. So you will make sure say passenger wey e dey travel go allow you enter airport terminal boarding. So now only people wey know say they travel, you know, so say when I escort my brother reach airport, may for carry things wey you know say e not come pass the luggage wey you carry come or excess luggage come out. If you know say you get excess luggage, make sure say you measure your bag for house, because anything wey dey remove for your bag, dey no allow any other person wey no dey travel follow you enter inside airport. And then dey come still talk say pipo wey dey come back, wey come dey pick passenger, dey say make dey advise dem to stay inside the car until the passenger don come out for the gate. So if you know say you wan go pick anybody wey dey come for bongo, wey dey come for yankee, so make sure say you stay for inside your car. If the passenger don come out, or if your brother or your sister don come out for inside airport, you use your phone take control am. So make sure say you obey all those rules and regulations. They say make you still avoid any unnecessary touching for inside airport area. Make you no dey touch all those things. Say you wan snap picture based on say you don tey wey you dey look for Nigeria, or you don tey wey you wan comot for Nigeria. Make you make sure say you no dey touch any area for inside airport. Na there you come still talk say escort wey dey come, or wey dey come with VIP, no go allow inside the departure hall until traveler are allowed. So if you know say you be escort, you wan follow all those people wey you know say still dey government, wey dem dey call VIP, na very important person. If you know say you dey follow all those people, dem say dem no allow una enter inside airport hall. So passenger go maintain social distance as the body of the co-bus for a tarmac. So una still follow the social distance. You know those bus wey dey carry you from after you don board finish, before you go reach door post of the flight. The bus wey go carry you from your terminal to inside to what they call am, the flight door. You make sure say una still obey the distance before una take enter inside that bus. And the teacher say dem still measure una temperature for head, so which is appropriate authorities to check passenger temperature. Dem still check una temperature well well. So all these things, so as I dey talk am dey come since, e dey take time. You know say after they don check your document, or they don check whether you get this corona, whether temperature high, or all those things. All these things wey I dey talk, so e dey take time. So make sure say you dey airport, make dem no go gug a lot of passenger wey you know say e wan travel. So airport authority don put floor marking for ground to guide passenger movement for queue within dem that airport. So dem mark all those stickers where you know say you fit stay, you fit sit down. They don mark am for airport. Na where dem mark say step here, na there you put your leg o. If dem no mark am, you go put your leg, you know say dem fit see from there enter your body, come still chop one or two money for your head. So make sure say you obey all the rules and regulations wey our aviation minister dey put in place. So which is the name na Hadi Sirika. You know say that man talk say he make sure say do this standard before he go open international flight wey go fit dey come bongo. He come still talk say the counter where airline agent go attend passenger go get transparent barrier to protect people wey dey work there. So if you know say those people wey dey work for airport, they go put transparent barrier, so that make dem take protect people. In case if you talk, all your saliva or your spit, e no go dey meet those people, make dem no go contact the virus. If those people dey wey dem dey call asymptomatic patient, people wey get the virus wey no dey show for body. So those kind of people, if they talk, at the end of the day, if you no get transparent barrier wey go block that spit, wey no go meet people wey go attend to you, or wey go check your passport, they say they no fit start. So those things go dey in place that day, so that if you see am for airport, no one no fear. Now those things na everybody still dey use for here where we still dey. So this transparent barrier, so they go put am for our airport. After this barrier, every passenger go, whether na to sit or the screen or the departure lodge, make sure say ground go guide how dem go take sit. Wetin dat one talk say where dem put sticker say sit here, na there you go sit. Where dem put times say you no go fit sit for there, you no go fit still sit for there. Make sure say una still respect all these rules and regulations. Dem no do am because of say dem wan use am take wicked passenger, but na the international standard wey dem say make dem still obey, na im be that. So airport staff to guide passenger to make sure say dem follow the rules and regulations. So anybody wey know say that day wey you wan travel, you go see airport staff wey go still put badge or wey go still put ID card for neck. E go still guide you throughout the process. Say in case if you no still know, you fit still ask am. E go still tell you wetin be the next step wey you go do so that we go quick fast. So na there dem come talk say at the airport point of boarding, airline to provide sanitizer for each passenger before dem go enter the plane at all. So airport, the flight this thing, airline this company go provide this hand sanitizer. E fit small or big, but make sure say dem go provide am for you. If dem no give you, make sure say you still get small one wey you still carry for follow body, so that at the end, the time wey you don board finish, you still put small for hand, because of say maybe you don still hala some people or you don still touch any airport area before you enter flight. So if you obey all these rules and regulations so wey this aviation minister put in place in order for international flight to take start, I believe say you reach here, you still reach here in peace. So if you know say you wan travel, make sure say you go dey start to dey check flight now, because on the 29th of August, as I first talk before, na the Minister of Aviation announce or tweet yesterday for Lagos, come talk say im go open international flight, because e don bring out all the modalities, all the things wey you know say we need to respect before we go take the flight. E don talk am. Now I just still drop this video, come still tell us how the thing go take be. So make sure say you watch this video to the end. If you still get any question concerning this matter wey I don talk, so you fit still call me for 35101-3025. Make sure say you share this video to una brothers and sisters wey you know say e still dey Africa and you no still see money take buy this chartered flight or the flight wey dem take dey carry a deportee. So for those people wey you know say wan use commercial flight wey we all first dey use take dey go Nigeria before this coronavirus, so from on the 29th of August to 2020, you start to dey book your appointment, because of say the Minister of Aviation talk say im go open the international flight, and e go start with Lagos and Abuja International Airport, while the rest other international airport like Port Harcourt and the rest. So e talk say make all those one first still calm down first, make dem first start with these two first, make dem see how the thing go take be before they open the rest of that ones. So I still remain your Anthony, your regular presenter for First State Immigrant Solution. So till we see for my next video, una bye bye.